Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. Thank you. We are now looking to mana. Um, you see, we have a good opportunity to stay at these levels, yeah, and make here a base. We touching this only. Let's look one time, two time, three time, and this is also fulfilled. Let's look um, how the price can go to the top side and something like that makes sense. I think. Let's look. We have a good strong channel in this area, so let's look. I want to look more in detail what happened here. This is very strong movement, yeah, from 10 cent to 20 cent. These are 200%, and that show us that mana has a huge potential to the top side. Let's look more in detail. Let's look. Okay, let's look. For us is interesting this area. So for us is interesting this area, so that makes sense. The price is falling in this area, stop in this case here, and for us is this time. Let's look. What here happens is very strong. Let's look back to Bitcoin price. Price is falling here in this area, falling. What happens between 21 and now? What happens here? Okay, then I know what happens here. We go to the next level because we open here a new channel. So I think we will break this to the top side. Yeah, you can expect that we will see here. Let's look. It's very interesting. Now we are at the point we will break this to the top side. Let's look. I hope the chart is going to the top. Frozen here. We want us a chart here. So I hope that works here. Yeah, yes. You see, we are at these levels here at the moment. We forming a positive signs here, pattern. So I think the next move go to 35, 30 cents. I think something like that. That will happen because we have a good support. We have a good pattern. So I think strong move to the top side. Something like that will happen. So I think we will break this channel to the top side. The benefit is that if we break this to 30 cents, then we can stay at this level. So let's look here. If we can break this to the top side here to 30 cents, then we can stay at the old channel here. So it makes sense that we go sideways, and the next move is to the top side. Yeah, keep in mind, please, we can also have this situation, but we have a clearly good support from this channel, so I think it makes sense that we see something like that to the top side. It makes sense because if you look to this here, we have a good formation here. We have also something like that, and we can now say, okay, this is the next target here, something like that. Because we fulfill this pattern here, and after fulfilling this pattern, um, we see this triangle gets closer and closer, and I think we will reach here much higher prices in this direction. You can see also from these spikes here, we have a good support or good situation to go to the top side. I think in this case, this makes sense that we reach here. You have to look more in detail. I think we have the situation to reach this 70-80 cent. Yeah, but let's look first. Let us reach this level here. This level. After we reach this level, then we can say, okay, the triangle gets closer and closer, so that we can go to the top side in this area. Yeah. But fact is, we are now at the point that we will hit this resistance line to the top side. We have a wonderful formation here, like a hammer, and that means we will go to the top side in this direction. And the next target is 28 cents, 30 cents in this area. But you see what power we have here. The price is going from 10 cent to 20 cent, 100%. Yeah, and we will see this here, the 200%, the 100% that what we see here will also, if we go to the top side, we will see maybe another 100% here in this area. Yeah. Let's look back to Bitcoin price. Something like that. The price is going to the top side here. We are now at these levels, and I think something like that will happen here. But this negative here is for me too negative. This is too negative here. I think we will go to the top side and make sharply move to the downside, something like that. Because this, I don't like this. This is too negative for me. Let's look. Yeah, it can also possible that we can stay at these levels. Let's look. So let's look back to mana. The price is clear. We will go to 30 cent, and now we have to look if we can stay at these levels or not. Yeah, if we stay at this channel, then we will see also higher prices, but I don't think we have enough power to go to the top side. I think we will go to sideways a little bit to fulfill this pattern here, that we going into a triangle that gets closer and closer, and then after that we will go to the next level, 50 cent, and the high level is in this direction, 70-80 cent. Yeah, let's look what happened here. So please share the videos, subscribe to the channel, and I think see you later.